One businesswoman dey raise alarm after waiting she encounter with one tout for Aproko expressway. Yes, so she come out dey talk because I sure say wetin she see e pain her reach her bone, her eye open, so she dey give all of una the talk make una know wetin dey happen for that Lagos wey una dey. Make una watch this video as she dey take explain.
Please, as much as you can, especially if you're a woman, avoid driving through Aproko expressway. This morning around 12, I was driving through that place and there was traffic. So a container truck was in front of me. I was trying to keep my eyes on it to be sure that konisi wala or anything. Then this tout came to the left side of my where I was driving. I don't understand too many English, and he was asking me to give him money. He was saying, how will I be driving this kind of car? And I will say I don't have money to give him. I did not even answer him. I was shy. My focus was on the trailer. Then he removes my mirror. See, he removed the mirror. The mirror was engraved. There's nothing he could do about it. He could not sell it or anything. But he just wanted to show that there was nothing I could do. And sadly, there was nothing I could do because a lot of people were there. Nobody was saying anything. Even a policeman was sitting close to the place. He did not do anything. This country is just...
My lady, I understand you. I understand you. This country is just like, even myself, I am out of adjective, now, pronoun, preposition, to take explain how this country take tire me too. I should say, now out of words, you don't even get waiting to talk again because this country, it tire you, it tire me. And waiting they happen, it tire everybody. As she even talk, there is nothing I can do. Chai, I feel the pain. It touched me because truly there is nothing the woman or the lady would have done. Nothing. She be woman. She don't get muscle. She don't get power to even fight. She don't even get people or anybody wey been dey that motor with her. She no get. Only Nigeria, you get you enter public transport. Now there you go. Yes, they don't kidnap you. Say you enter bus. You okay? Say make you book Uber. Now there you go. Yes, say Uber carry you go on that location. Then go sell your body parts. Now you get your own private motor. Still wahala upon wahala upon wahala. Some police officers then just be like decoration for highway. They know they do anything. Imagine say this thing they happen. She talk say police dey there, police no talk. People wey dey around kwanu no talk. They no get say. Police wey dey Nigeria just dey useless. All they find na money, 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 money. Ladies, you get motor, you no get motor. Carry pepper spray, put for back for your own protection. I not say make una carry gun or knife because I don't know where you go see that kind of thing. Carry pepper spray, anything. Shh. But if you know say you dey traffic, say you no go fit drive wrong comot, abeg no go spray person. Make you no go call him boys, make dem come kill you. Tout wey dem no gree give money, like wetin dey give them that courage? Wetin dey motivate them? Who is their motivational speaker? I wan know. Say you walk up to person, you know they give her money, you know they feed this lady, you know they do anything. You get the morale, walk up to her and tell her say make she give you money. What is your business with her? With all boldness, make she give you money. She talk say she no get. You say with this kind car wey she dey drive, why she go talk say she no? I no understand. E dey pay her, she dey work for you. Waiting, who dey give them morale? This Nigeria, me I don't tire for this country. I give up on this country. This woman luck be say she no wind down or she no open her motor come down because I sure say that they wait for her to, as the thing they happen or as then they lose her window, make she go open motor come down. They shout, they call alarm, make people come save her. I sure say all those things they don't plan and say if they do this thing, the woman go one come down from the motor to call people. And as she try to come down and call people, now there they go rob her. And thank God the woman get sense. She no come down, no. So mumu people now go come and talk, all this drama will happen. She for just avoid them. If she give the guy 200 naira, 500 naira. Woman will say she no get. Una sure save 100 naira dey her motor. No be by driving of motor. Money if you no dey the motor. And even if I don't see where person one pay all these touts because say they say no go move, no go move. Person one pay tout, as him wind down to give tout money. Now so tout drag phone from motor, drag the other one, anything wey their hand fit touch dem just drag from window. You na see wetin payment cost. So where she dey okay, say she no even wind down, because all these touts no be 200 naira dem dey fine, no be 300 dem dey fine, dem dey find better amount of money o. So if una fit say this woman for just give am 200 naira, give am 300, make everything close, case no go close, dem go rob you throway. See where person dey broad daylight, dem still rob her, dem still dey remove mirror, police wey dey there no dey do anything. Which kind Nigeria we dey? Una dey see the kind insecurity. I no even know wetin to even talk again, because e bad, is badder than bad. For your own personal motor double wahala, you enter public one, problem. No, this country I don tire for this kind thing o. As I see am, I say ma bring am come here o. My Lagos people wey dey pass through that route, una don hear am. Avoid the route. If you know say traffic go dey there, avoid am. But some people go say no other road to pass. If you dey pass, dey careful. I don tell you, carry your pepper spray, put for bag, say you be woman, or if you get husband or you get boys, make dem follow you as you dey move through that side o. Make everybody dey woke, make we dey safe for that country o. Everybody eye red, from president to the citizens and to the criminals, to the touts, to the kidnappers. Everybody eye red. People dey find money, people still dey find people to kill to make money. So open your eye where you dey. Avoid that route, or carry manpower, carry bodyguard dey waka. For you to get personal motor, you fit still afford bodyguard. Carry one put gun body as a woman o. Me, I don talk my own finish. As I see this one, I say ma bring am come una side. If una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video.